to you some just tips on ADUs, accessory dwelling units. Those are the things that people are talking about right now, especially with the housing crisis that we have here in California, specifically San Diego County, Orange County, and LA. But the affordability of housing is a big issue right now. It's a big topic. Prices continue to rise, and entry-level points for people to live in terms to buy a house is not affordable. And so people are looking for alternatives, and especially with rents increasing too. I mean, they've plateaued a little bit, but there's a problem. We just don't have enough housing. So ADUs are a big thing, and guess what? To your benefit as a homeowner or prospective homeowner and thinking about adding an ADU or a Granny-Flatt, if you will, is that you have the ability now, depending on which city you're in, as some incentives to help offset that cost to build that Granny-Flatt or junior suite or whatever it may be. So if you haven't already, subscribe to us. Go ahead and go to our website and put in your email address if you haven't already. We'll send you the email detailing a lot about information about the ADUs. But the thing to know is that depending on which city you live in, there might be some additional benefits. For instance, the city or the county of San Diego has waived certain fees if you build an ADU with certain requirements, obviously. But again, a lot of that information is on our website. You can also go to our blog. We just posted yesterday or 2 days ago regarding this, and there's a lot of great information on there. How you can save money, how you can get plans for basically free. I mean, they're free. You got to download them, but and they're not 100% complete. But at least it saves you a lot of money in terms of an architect drawing them up. They're already drawn up. You might need to make minor changes. And then on the horizon, there's going to be some up-and-coming things that we're going to be offering and getting into. So even some prefab that are not like your standard trailer. And we actually have connections, believe it or not, to people that do financing for Granny-Flatt construction, that kind of thing. So anyways, if you want more information, please go to our website at hocoa-ca.com. That's HOCOA-ca.com. Go to our blogs or news information. And our latest blog talks about ADUs, Granny-Flatts, how we can help you, at least give you the information that you need to research and do before you actually make that, pull the trigger, if you will, for lack of a better term, on building a Granny-Flatt or ADU. But all the different things that can help. I mean, from the savings on the plans to finding a contractor. Obviously, we got guys that do this, but also, you know, hey, what does it cost? What does it involve? What are the steps that you're going to have to take if you really want to do this? And then, obviously, the first question is to make financial sense for you to do this. A lot of people are saying, hey, I want to move in my in-laws into to my home. This might be a great thing. And it's not like you necessarily have to build an actual new structure on your property. You can probably, sometimes depending on the houses, you can build what they call a junior suite inside the house itself and still qualify or constitute as an ADU. Certain requirements, again, we can go in more details, but please call or text us anytime. Check out our website. We have more information there. Hope you have a wonderful week, and thank you for tuning in.